Okay, this next section is just introducing the third task that's been asked, is recording fitness test results. And so it involves adding fitness test results for each exercise. Okay, so an input for this is obviously the student's test result. The person who would input that would generally be their teacher, whose name is in the scenario, or it could be the student, depending on what the scenario says. Obviously, a future improvement could be that the student could actually go and manipulate this and the database could become a distributed model. But so they need to be able to add in each fitness test result for each exercise. And so the process being the result is entered onto the exercise, and then the process is it's saved into that monthly test result, and the output being, that finished table with the data being stored in it. Note, this question is a little bit ambiguous in how it's been presented in the paper, so we're going to present a few different possible ways, because one way to deal with it is that you basically select the monthly test, the month the test is going to be in, the student, and then the exercise, and then you enter in that result and it saves it, which is probably the more common way. But then there are other alternatives, such as only choosing the student and the month, and then it displaying all of their results for that time. The other one could potentially be, just choosing the month, and then maybe the exercise, and then a list of all the students. So there's three different ways of sort of looking at the problem. First way we're going to look at presenting is just selecting all three options, the month, the student, and the exercise, and then entering their result. And the next one we'll just look at choosing the month and the student, and then they'll be presented with a list of all their options. And that second one you can manipulate to basically show how to do it the other way around, where he's usually choosing the exercise instead. But it is a little bit ambiguous, so this is the one where you need to pay attention to what is exactly asked in the exam and adapt different techniques you've looked at for this one. Okay, next videos we'll start with how to actually tackle this problem.